everybody, today we're recording Oil Hunt. Wait. Today we're playing Oil Hunt. Well, what was that? Today we're playing Oil Hunt. We're recording Oil Hunt. I don't know what to play, but yeah, actually I play a little bit, and so we have to do this. Okay. Oh, that is good. Let's go. Oh no. Nope, terrible. That is terrible. Oh my god! Yeah. Oh. I want to get the alien, but it looks cool. Ah. It's gone new. Why does the perfect hit? Come on. So no, now. Oh, come on. So we're gonna play Oil Hunt again, and until I want to get to, I want to beat my high score is 7. Oh man. Okay. Oh! What just happened? I'm just gonna skip the video. And we're just gonna go. Sorry, just some background stuff. First try, really. I'm just gonna go. Okay. We're going to eat some oil for some reason. We're going to eat yucky oil. That's too far. We're going to eat yucky oil in a desert. I ate 1 oil. Perfect hit. I got 9 oil. Yay! Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. No, a good supply of oil. The perfect hit. Oh, great! The sound is gone now. Wah. So we're playing this on. Okay. Now we're just gonna. So we ran out of sound. Ran out of sound. Perfect hit. Okay, so everybody, we're playing this again until we get to 7. We beat my high score. So we're just gonna put this. That. Yeah, we beat 7. So let's go. No. Yeah, we got a gift. So, this is all the time we got. So, I'll end this video. Goodbye!